Your Ford dealer is celebrating the #1 selling cars and trucks in the West with his 4th of July celebration. Save big on a tough Ford Ranger, a front-wheel drive Tempo, the all-new Ford.
We have been alerted to a dangerous new virus that has been spreading throughout our country. Scientists have labeled it the Liberty virus, and it has been deemed incredibly dangerous. But we do have some tips on how to keep yourself and your family safe.
Section 1. How this started.
The virus was first reported in a retirement home in Washington, D.C. All we know is that the victim went bird watching and came back with it. The victim, who will remain nameless, was found dead a while.
Section 2. Symptoms.
In stage 1, victims of the virus get a red and blue tumors with white spots like bumps all over their body. Stage 2 happens after 5 hours of the virus being in their body, and it spreads dark blue and red spots on the body.
And when it reaches stage 3 a few hours later,
Section 3. How to avoid the virus.
Ends July 7th.